Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back to discuss if vapor honing works on aluminum and have your complete guide as to why it does. Stay tuned, we're going to discuss this. It's going to be a longer form video. There's a lot of points here on why this is a great process for aluminum, so stick around. So obviously your short answer to this question is of course it does. Because of its efficiency and its gentleness, it is able to clean aluminum very thoroughly and very safely. So here are the reasons that it is the best process for you. So reason number one is that the vapor blasting process, it preserves the original state of metal. It's very soft in the way that it works, and the way that you can achieve that is through using water and finer abrasives. Essentially what your water is going to do is create a cushion on the surface of the piece, so it does not have a hard impact clean on parts. It is a flow process, so that is a main difference from many other processes out there that makes it really safe. All those original markings, all of those sealing surfaces, all of those gasket areas, all of those things are very safe with the vapor honing process because of the water and the cushion it provides and how this works in a flow process. That's reason number one. So vapor blasting also holds a superior surface finish compared to others out there. This is what gives aluminum a very bright and polished finish, especially if you use glass beads with this process. That's the second advantage, that the glass bead is actually going to roll the surface of the aluminum. So it's actually closing the pores instead of opening them up. And what this does is it makes it harder for the aluminum to oxidize or get stained and need cleaned again. If you want a finish that is preserved and lasts even longer, because we do get this question a lot, you may want to consider using a clear coat after you vapor blast it. Instead of 10 months, that finish will last 10 years, but it does provide a good finish either way for you to work with. So that's reason number two why vapor blasting holds such an advantage with aluminum. So reason number three is that vapor honing holds a distinct advantage in the fact that it does not produce heat while blasting. This is due to not having a hard impact with your parts. So it's not going to risk warping or heat friction that damages softer metal parts like aluminum parts. So that is reason number three why it's a huge advantage to use vapor blasting on aluminum. Reason number four is that vapor honing will remove contaminants without hassle. So with this process, where it differs is that the water is actually washing away things like greases, oils, any of those contaminants, while the abrasive is actually doing the work of scrubbing the surface. So water is mainly used to wash away those contaminants that exist on the surface, while the abrasive is coming in behind it, scrubbing the surface and giving you an impeccable surface finish. So reason number five is that vapor honing is environmentally friendly. This is a huge factor for a lot of bigger companies out there that blast, or even for your small shop, because there's no airborne dust. So it's more eco-friendly, it's more friendly for operators because you don't have silica dust flowing in the air everywhere that you're breathing in. So it's a lot more environmentally safe and a lot safer for operators because the water knocks down the dust. It completely eliminates it. There's no dust factor with these vapor honing cabinets that we have here. So that's reason number five. So reason number six is the versatility that vapor honing has. It can be used on aluminum in many different ways. So you can use it for a finish, you can use it for a post process. So it can prep for things like anodize, clear coat, paint, powder coat. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this machine. It's more so heavily influenced by the abrasive that you're using. So if you need a more of a surface profile, you may want to consider using a different abrasive other than glass bead, maybe an aluminum oxide. If you need that smooth, polished finish, maybe you consider using a glass bead. So the versatility of vapor honing is really unmatched, and there's a lot of different things you can do with a lot of different metals or a lot of different types of parts out there. You can even do rubbers and plastics in this cabinet because of how soft this process is. So lots of versatility. That's reason number six. So the last and final reason, reason number seven, is because it reduces the wear and tear on your parts. So there are no tolerance changes with this process. It's not going to remove metal. It's going to be super soft, super gentle in the way that it works, which is super effective if you're trying to preserve very old antique parts that you can't really get anymore. It's very hard to find them, even newer parts. So it's really good because the water completely takes away the heat friction portion of this. No warpage as stated before, but also you don't have tolerance changes. So that's another huge advantage that you gain. So this great list of advantages is the sole reason, if you're cleaning aluminum, why you should go with a vapor blasting cabinet. This can be used across many different industries out there, like aerospace, CNC, motorcycle, automotive, diesel reman. I mean, there's plenty of different uses for this cabinet, and it's quite versatile in the way that it works. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call here. We're happy to help you anytime. Our number is 828-202-5563.